Kayte Deioma. Festival music includes Italian, Italian-American and guest artists, performing standards like Volare and That's Amore, alternating with tenors singing Nessun, Dorma and O Sole Mio, interspersed with Italian folk music, rock bands, swing bands and accordion players. There will also be 1. Children's crafts. 2. The Great Gravy Sauce Competition. 3. Cooking demonstrations. 4. Bocce. 5. Bingo. 6. Carnival. 7. Great Italian food. Another highlight is the San Gennaro Procession, where community members and clergy parade the bust of San Gennaro around the block past the Chinese theater and back to the festival stage. It is followed by Mass on the main stage. Everyone is welcome to join in or watch the procession. History of the LA Feast of San Gennaro.